Right. A little bit of an update. Took the turbine down, built a new blade. This one's 10 feet long. It's a 2x10. The generator is 115 turns of two 14-gauge wires. They're a pound and a half each of copper. There's 16 magnets on each disc on either side of the coil pack, and they're N52. They're 1 by 2 inch by 3/4 inch thick, and they're 180 pound pull to steel, and there's 32 of them in total. There's 12 coils in that generator. So I brought it down, built a new tail, new blade, and as you can see, the trees are not even moving. Barely. So I had a few questions about this turbine, so I'm going to answer them in this video. So, wait until this focuses. So I got asked how I dump the power on this. And in my auxiliary outputs, on my auxiliary 1, the diversion dumps from 30.5 volts down to 27.5, and that turns on this little AC relay, which goes over to a separate plug that an infrared heater is plugged into. So that dumps the battery side. And then I've built a 3-phase on the turbine side that's signaled from the DC high voltage input which at 90 volts on the DC incoming from the rectifier pulses 12 volt signal to these solid state relays, and then comes out to the 3-phase incoming power from the turbine, and then goes into 3 electric heaters that I'm just testing right now, but they're wired in star configuration 3-phase. So that's what trims off the top end of the wind turbine when we have 80 plus winds. So that'll answer the one guy's question. Yesterday, we hit a high power of 2,433 watts at around 50 kilometers of wind.